Hello everyone, welcome to my second Java programming video. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you how to write comments on Java, and we're also gonna write a program that prints out hello world. So let's start with the comments. Basically the first comment is already written there, but I'm just gonna show you another way. It's the same way, but I'm just gonna show you how to. So the purpose of including comments in your code is to explain what the code is doing. Java supports both single and multi-line comments. All characters that appear within a comment are ignored by the Java compiler. A single line comment starts with two forward slashes and continues until it reaches the end of the line. So let me just show you how to write a comment. So as I said, it starts with two slashes. It starts with two slashes. It doesn't end with slashes. It just starts with two slashes. At the end, you don't write anything. Let me just write something. See, that's how you write a comment. So mainly comments are used sometimes to explain the codes. The code you've already coded, you use to explain to someone who will be viewing your code. So that's how you write your comments on Java. As you can see, I didn't end it with slashes. I just start with two slashes. I don't end with slashes. I start with two slashes and I don't end it with anything. Okay, so after writing your comment, don't write your code here. Write your code below the comment. See, if you write it the same line as the comment, the Java will take it as a comment. You need to write it down here. Okay, that's all for comments. So now let me show you how to write a program that prints out hello world. So when it comes to printing out things on Java, we use two methods. Our first method is a system dot out print. Sorry, I'm supposed to put a p, but I put it. Oh, so it's system out print. That's the first one. And then the second one, it's system dot print line. So now I'm gonna explain the difference between the two. So first let me show you how to write using the first one. So here's the first one. That print, you need to open your brackets and then end it with a colon. So hello world. That's how you write a hello world program using a print method. So the difference between these two, the print only prints what you're printing in the same line. Let's say there's another hello world below. Let me just copy this one and paste it under here. Okay, let me run the program first before doing this. Let me just show you what it will compile. I will print out a hello world on a single line. Just give it time to run. So adding comments as you write code is a good practice because they provide clarification and understanding when you need to refer back to it, as well as for others who might need to read it. So yeah, as you can see, it's printing out a hello world. So it printed out in a single line. So let me just continue doing what I was doing. Paste this one, and then let's see if it will print it on the same line. As you can see, it's printing it on the same line as the previous one. So that's why we only use this one if we're gonna print only one thing on a single line. So if we're printing something on the next line and another thing on the next line, we used to use this second one. It prints the next thing you are going to print on the next line, not on the first line as the previous one, on the next line. So let's just use this one. I won't type it again. I'll just, okay, let me type it again. I don't have a problem with typing it, so let's type it again. Dot out dot println. So again, hello world, and then let me copy it again. Okay, let me play it before copying it. Let's play it. So it is printed it on the same line, but remember with the first one, the green words are on the same line as the hello world, but on the second ones, the green words are below, because the hello world, it's on its own line as specified here in println. And then let me put a second one. Let me copy second one. Let me paste the second one. Okay, here we go. And I'm super nervous. This is my second video. It's my first time doing this kind of thing. So yeah, so you can see the difference between the two print methods. So whatever you're gonna print below, if it has a print line, it's gonna be printed on its own line, not on the same line as the previous print. It's gonna be printed on the same line. So that's the difference between print and println. Println prints everything on its own line, while the print prints everything on the same line. So that's it. Thank you.